A man said we stroll through bush. So make us stroll through bush, and that's what we do.
Down where I go?
That's all you depend for go down back.
Come here, come here.
He mango bush I come. One big white mango.
A mango. Go on here.
Green and white mango.
The mango there. You see it now?
Then I say,
Then
but that not ripe.
You're right.
That ripe?
Kiki.
You know how long I see it and think I want different one attack?
It turn. Yeah, tell her that.
My friend, what do you want little mango here? Send me up way up in a tree top.
You're not gonna further use the stick now.
I forgot to stick your use. I used to stick, you know. I come like say, I sleep on him stick. You know how Jamaican does I say that. I say, I sleep on my stick. It's been raining all morning. The rain finally eased up and thing. So, right now, I'm heading to Dover right about now. Gonna be linking up with Stargirl and Camille Vlogs. Yeah, man. So, we are going to mango bush in the morning, yeah? Yeah, so, y'all just stay tuned. I could see what go on in the bush if we are going to find a mango. No? Yeah, man. Wish we luck. So, right about now, there I drive go link up with Stargirl and Camille, you know. I go a mango bush. Yeah, so they are on the journey. But it's so hot down here, man. The rain only there up on my side. It's so hot down here. So Camille tell me so rain fall this morning, but the place look good. So right about now, we are going to mango bush. Let me have my fine bag here. You know the thing go. Yeah, the water we get for take on the journey, you know. Stargirl, give me water. Alright, we say come on. Well, we there on the journey, as me have shown earlier on. Stargirl, give me water. And thing. Yeah. Rain or shine. Rain did fall over my zone this morning. Heavy. And thing. Heavy. Rain fall, you know. Hey, you mean? You ill and a friend? You a short of bread? Or you a bread short?
Me a cut out. You see round this.
You tired already?
That's why me a cut out that.
And exercise full, man. Exactly. Alright, so. I bought my water boat, you know. Catch your boat. I good thing say me have my water boat and me no shorter boat. See that? Yo! I have my water boat. Yeah. So there I walk. I go. Bush. I drink no water yet, you know. Camila ball. Where said the bomb hill?
Yeah, some family live up on a hill.
And 3 years they not go there.
And 3 years they not go there yard.
Them a go here where you say on the video today.
Let me tell them all the while. Me not like climb hill.
You like climb hill? Well, all the good things in the hill, all the way you want are in the hill.
But you know why the bad we go there and find a mango?
No, sir, that not go happen. That not go happen. That not go happen. Half your bush. Half your bush. Anything we find, half of it today. Yeah. They are on a journey. Same way. We don't reach yet. Until see my sweat. Yeah. Sweat. Yeah. So yeah, I go up through a little track here. Same way. Whoa. Very cool and nice, you know. My kind of vibes. Which is right. Crowd of people. Reach bush. No mango. You tell me say mango there and Stargirl.
Me tell you say man say a mango tree man show me.
Yeah.
I never said a mango.
What you say? What you say?
A man say a mango tree but I don't like.
You say one next mango. You tell me say the man I say one next mango tree they were supposed to have a mango.
Exactly.
So we can search that.
Either up there so.
We can search.
Come. They're young.
Jesus and P, me hear the story, yeah? You hear that story, yeah? A young man go mission will come on. Jesus, see if you boy like me.
Morning.
What kind of adventure is me come on? Lord.
You want some dry coconut?
You want everything now. Want dry coconut. Anything we can get now. You can't stay.
Exactly.
You can't stay because I don't come up here for nothing.
Exactly.
You can't stay here, so I don't come up here for nothing. Yeah, Gilly, then I change your argument.
So if I go 2 or 3, she will want. No problem.
So what else say we can get?
Mango leaf.
Because we don't come fake, you know.
Nature walk.
Jaja. Anyway, tree. We come a mango bush. Only if we find out, say, the mango tree them empty, make me show you.
If I have one mango, you can't eat it and go down back.
Look, yeah, Gilly at that, we're looking at the tree. See? Mango tree them empty. Only if a mango tree up at you know. Empty.
But we never know say this is fruit stand.
Wild goose chase we come on.
That one over here, sir?
Empty.
3 mango here, we man.
Look for the mango tree full of blossom. Mango have blossom. Guys, I know I can't believe this mission. Imagine me left from way up a country drive come down here. And nothing. No mango. We come on a wild goose chase. I walk here and go say, move fry us over here tell me. You tell me what? You tell me say what next mango tree did there?
Sometimes coffee, sometimes. Hey.
Yo, my girl look like a friend you looking at, man. Like a friend you looking at. I will go come at this bush here, nothing. No. I would think say me kind of energized and me not sad. Exercise. Wait, see mango the punchy but then green. What kind of mango them there?
Some big mango.
You are going you know? Them are the only mango. They up here. The only mango them look like beefy. So then can pick and put for ripe.
Then I eat more, no?
Them in a full.
Ask Gilly. Come now, come up here. Yo, I'm a driver. I'm pick a mango. Cause boy.
I like this food.
That look full.
That not full. Them a mango here so everlasting.
Ah, Jesus. Forgive them, lad, for they know not what they have done. They make me come a bush. Me crocus bag. Tell me if I'm not full and take Christopher. Well, me not climb the tree.
You can't climb.
Yeah, but me not. Oops. See la.
You don't want a mango then. Come and show them.
Me I go drink.
The mango, yeah.
Ah, Jesus.
Come now.
You can climb?
No.
You can climb it.
Dad be saying can't climb it. So you see.
Me not go climb that now.
If that be say I want 10 right mango in there, we go in there.
I tell him now.
See them here.
Where?
Come and show them.
Me don't know and take me puppy show today, no?
Dad be come and show mango now. We can't climb it now, so we can't stand up.
Guys, the only thing right here now, I get a pole and spring water from Star Girl.
Yeah, what time you
Give thanks for life, health and strength. The amount of water where the upper country, me never need to come here so to get water. What? Oi, water all of that shit. You hear that? You come like you know, say no mango no open, you just tag along.
Some mango, yeah, me also them.
Lord have his mercy.
Oh, see stick here.
Dad be about them on it.
Watch him do there.
Don't go in a tree.
I come and tell me if you can't go in a tree.
That's the come here, so you have to walk about. Come here.
So I'm going to climb it in a water boat?
See, if you don't notice.
They want to try big mango.
Yeah, so all of them stay, man. Come and look for them for yourself. See this spot them. They're not good, man.
I say they're not good. I say they're not good.
So I have to spray them, so I never spray them.
Oh.
That's the tree no be enough.
In peace, huh? Rocky.
That's how you go, man. Next time, man. The next time I come here, man.
Well, then walk and view the bush. Now they see the, they can view East Indian tree them.
Camille find sauce up, she had the better one. She give me this so I can carry with me.
No man, I eat where I eat.
I eat where I eat, alright. Yeah, Brocky.
No? Brocky.
Brocky.
You have to sink your finger in there.
Not even water.
If you sink your finger, I like.
It's a jelly.
Yeah, look at your pla pla pay is something, man. You should look how she pla pla. You know it's what's up? Yeah, I did. You know no more. Then girl a live which was what's up there, you know. So they don't have to worry. Take piece and just consume it inside.
A man said if you stroll through the bush, so make you stroll through the bush, and that's what you do.
Don't worry about.
That's all you depend for good on back.
Come here, come here.
He mango bush I come. One big white mango.
A mango. Go on here.
Green and white mango.
Come on, not tell people to try.
Mango all have small seed. Me from bag up this way, I go feed for me.
The cocos bag.
Me and you are load. And me and you are load.
But who give up? You're the
Me
one
never give, me not give up. Me not, no. And you know, me spot one East Indian mango and the one star girl, I want to take it for yourself.
You know, will it stick good enough?
Hold on, I'm too excited, man. Come on, road.
Right. Yes, that's it in there.
Me know what's in there. Yeah, Jaja.
Camille. So Dalvi get a East Indian.
Get a East Indian.
Camille.
Take a bite. Me not bite yet, man.
She get a East Indian.
What she say? Cut over there, cut over there. Camila say me cut over, cut over. Them say me fi climb a tree. Hold on there, hold on there. So, me na tree. And me na see mango ya dark and all that star girl.
Watch me. Watch it stick now, I'm going to push it up. Watch where it stick at. I'm going to find the stick right. See the mango there? You see it now?
Then me I say,
Then
but that not ripe.
You're right.
That ripe?
Sticky.
You know how long me see it and think I want different one ya dark?
It turn. Yeah, tell her that.
My friend, what you want little mango ya send me up way up in a tree top.
You're not going to further use the stick now.
I forgot to stick ya use. I used to stick, you know. Come in at this. Hey, mango. Can you even drop? Things I drop out of the tree. No catch it.
You're not going over.
No, I saw clean it. Oh, God. It's so in me, you know. So I think you might come a while ago, you know.
Mango tricky.
Hold on, I'll go for the next side. Get him now. That didn't jump. It went jump in so green. Where is them there now? The first one we did see them there.
Yeah.
But then they look young. They look young too. Them they can't go market.
I don't put them to right bow market. You can't catch it.
When it touch, so it must ripe. Because as it touch, so. Yeah, man, so. That is that. Yeah. So I come now at a tree now.
Go back the way you go up.
So go back the way I go up. Well, alright, so find one. What? Julie? Oh, I said maybe we can find Julie. Find one in East Indian. How they are search. Boy, think a mango bush me come. Alright, so I go on here now. Mango tree them a blossom. So maybe down in a May them time then I summer before up here, so fully loaded with mango. So right now we are moved to some other trees to see if nothing can go on for it. So far get one ripe mango and two green one to put for ripe, you know, or we can make juice here with the green one them. It's a beautiful view from up in the bush. You man see the sea out there, you know what I mean? It's a beautiful, beautiful view from, you know, the hillside, you know, peeking up through the mango trees. It is so beautiful. So beautiful. Big up all my viewers, big up all my subscribers. See what go on in my bag. So big up all the viewers and big up all the subscribers. A good thing to me, I good mess what I want in East Indian, you know. Pick some lime, then say lime run duppy, so I have some duppy when I run from with here. So I have to run them. Yes, come. This bush is called cowitch, yeah man, and this will scratch out your kin, yeah man. I never know what this bush really look like. I mean, I always hear them talk about it, but I don't know what it look like. But see it, you know. Come a lime bush. Them a pick lime. We picking limes. Lime will catch you. Hands catch Camille. Hands make you dance. Hands. Hands bite me for me and you too. I have a tree when you draw down a tree. Thank God see I know it catch you. Star girl here. Trying to pick coconut. Whoa! You know, that girl is rough, you know. Yeah.
No, tell me. And Darby, you stand up and see coconut come. You see?
Wow.
I'll check if it's shake.
Yeah, go check if it's shake, yes. It's shake. It's shake.
Oh, what you know? Check that. See if it's shake.
And that nails are native them. They're good man, they're good.
Do you see anything?
They're good man. That them cook good food, you know.
Extra collection.
Hey, go get a machete car come. Guys, I never have a machete in my car. I always have a machete in my car, but somewhere from what they may have to take out the machete out of the car. So I have a machete in my car again. So at that time I meet the matter, you know. That girl now let two down, so that girl she said we don't really get no mango, so she make we get some.
I help you now. That's
Help you get some.
That look good.
She misses it, and that go on. We don't try to pick you lower one them now. Just straight that bunch of car, now go really, you know. Hold them. Jesus Savior.
You get coconut more than what she got.
Coconut for days. Yes, star girl. All right. When I raid the tree, never raid that tree. Me never walk with the crocus bag for nothing at all. Camila go on with nothing. Oh God, you know, alright, girl. Camila go on with nothing.
I wanna go on with mango, lime,
Coconut,
and me have me too long hand. That's how I go.
Camila go on with nothing. Oh, big up the viewers them and big up the subscribers them. I don't know what they think. Camila go on with nothing. We just wash the one mango. One mango. And then they want me share it up in about we never have no knife, so them couldn't get none of this. Sweet. Full of juice. Sweet, sweet mango tree. The bush where we go, whole heap of mango there at the bush. So in the summer, we are go back to the mango bush. You know, from maybe about May go down the mango them supposed to come in and fully active. Nice summer there, so we are definitely have to check in at the mango bush this summer. God say yes and all work out good. Yeah man, we go in there.